this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 super simple DIY ideas. If you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. Let's start with the first project. For this project, I wanted to give the Walmart square mirror a new look. The material I used to do that is a cone wrapper from Dollar Tree. As you can see from the video, each bag has different size of a cone wrapper. I only used the red one for this project, which is the penny holder. I will save the rest for future DIY projects. The next step is to prepare a board with the size of 2 feet by 2 feet. I used the project board from Dollar Tree, but you certainly can consider a stronger board if you want. Then I place the mirror in the middle of the board and use the strong adhesive to glue the mirror onto the board. I also prepared some foam board strips to cover the edge of the mirror and the board as well. I also used the gold adhesive paper to wrap those strips to make them look nicer. Next step is to evenly lay out those penny holder around the mirror. As you can see in the video, it is pretty simple to do. I used the hot glue gun for this step, but you can consider using stronger adhesive like X6000 as well. This is how the pattern looks. It is pretty cute to me. I also prepared the strips for the edge of the board as well. When I finished the edging, I took it in garage and spray painted the whole thing in gold color. Now let's check out how the mirror turned out. Wow, this mirror becomes very elegant to me. Do you still remember how the original Walmart mirror looks? I have to say this transformation is very impressive. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this mirror. Now let's check out the second DIY project. For this project, I bought a couple of raffle boards from Dollar Tree. I really like the wavy edge of these boards. This unique shape provides a lot of options for DIY projects. In the rest of the video, I'm going to show you 2 wall decors using these ruffle bows. I firstly spray painted the inside of the bows with gold color and the outside of the bowl with brown color. And then I glued a circular mirror in the middle of the bowl. You can also consider using square-shaped mirror. As you can see in the video, 9 bows were prepared. For the first wall decor, I just mounted those boards onto the wall with a diamond shape. For the second wall decor, I placed those boards onto a circular base, which was made of a hula hoop from Dollar Tree. I also attached a LED light strip onto the base to give it a little bit more feature. For mounting, I used the double-sided tape. It worked pretty well. Now let's check out how the first wall decor looks. It looks very beautiful to me. And this is a large wall decor. It will fill any empty wall. Now let's check out how the second wall decor looks. It looks pretty as well. I really like how it turned out when the light is on. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any new videos in the future. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.